So as I'm putting my bed together, I realized there's not even a tutorial or assembly video. So I'm like halfway done, but this is gonna be the middle of the bed, and then make sure this part is up and make sure these are sticking up so you can hook it. So right now, H goes here. Bam. So it goes here, 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 and at the top. And then the rest are gonna be eyes. I'm almost done. So that's how it should look. First one, go down 4, skip 1. That's the third one. Go down 4, last one. So I changed it up. I put the middle piece down, then I arranged it because they're like holes right here. I just lined it up to match. Then the rest, I'm just gonna have to put the eyes there. I'm done. I don't know if I'm gonna do the baskets tonight. Not really worried about it. For now, this is the finished product. I'm gonna worry about the baskets later. We're gonna plug in and see if it works. Step for step number 8. So like this. The wheels are on. And it's just, this is the last. It has holes right here.